Namaste. This is the class of pharmaceutical analysis, and we are studying the limit test. As I told you, the definition of limit test, and there are different limit tests which we are performed, and we have to also perform in the practical exam. So I am here only. I am giving you the procedure how you can do the practical. Okay. So today let's see about the limit test of iron. Next, first is the principle. Limit test of iron is based on the reaction of iron in the ammoniacal solution with thioglycolic acid in presence of citric acid to form iron thioglycolate, which is pale pink to deep yellow reddish purple in color. So this is the limit test in which iron is present, and you can see the thioglycolic acid and with the presence, and you can see here the citric acid and iron thioglycolate. It is, and you can check this reaction here. So let's start from the procedure. As I told you earlier, we will perform the two tests here for the sample test for the test sample, and then test for the standard compound. First, let's start from the test sample. Sample is dissolved in specific amount of water, and then volume is made up to 40 ml. Add 2 ml of 20% weight by volume of citric acid in that. Then add 2 drop of thioglycolic acid. Then we had to add ammonia to make the solution alkyl, and adjust the volume to 50 ml. So the volume total is a 50 ml. Then keep aside for 5 minutes, and then color will develop. View vertically and compare with the standards. Now we will prepare the standard compound, in which iron is 20 parts per million. In this 2 ml of standard solution of iron diluted with the water upon 40 ml. Then add 2 ml of 20% weight by volume of citric acid, iron free. Add 2 drop of thioglycolic acid. Then add ammonia to make the solution alkyl, and adjust the volume to 50 ml. Keep aside for 5 minutes. Then color develop is viewed vertically and compared with the standards. So for iron standard solution, how we can prepare the iron standard solution? Dilution 1 ml of 0.1726 percentage weight by volume solution of ferric ammonia sulfate in 0.05 m sulfuric acid to 10 volume with water contain iron in ferric state. Earlier, ammonium thiocyanide reagent was used for the limit test of iron, since thioglycolic acid is more sensitive reagent. It has replaced ammonium thiocyanide in the test. So what we will observe by this, in this, as I told you, we will compare the standard versus test. So let's see the observation. The purple color produced in the sample solution should not be greater than the standard solution. Okay, if purple color produced in the sample solution is less than the standard solution, then the sample will pass the limit test of the iron. Okay, so if purple color is developed in this test, if you are seeing a light purple in the sample, then the standard, then the test is positive. If you are seeing the lighter purple in the standard but dark purple color in the test sample, then it is negative test. So what is the reason for that? Let's see. In this, citric acid helps sign to prevent precipitation of iron by ammonia by forming a complex with it. Thioglycolic acid helps to oxidize iron 2 to iron 3rd. Next, ammonia to make the solution alkyl. So here we have completed this limit test of iron. For any query you can comment below. Thank you.